most attractively designed vehicles on the market, but that hasn't stopped the brand from improving its offerings between generational redesigns, as we've seen with recent refreshes to the CX-5, Mazda 6, and Mazda 3. Now the CX-3 small crossover has also gone into the operating room for 2019. It emerges with a massaged exterior, mild updates to its powertrain, a tweaked suspension, and nicer interior materials. Up front, the 2019 CX-3 retains its trapezoidal bar grille but has a new inner grille design. New lower chrome trim on the sides complements the carryover side sill chrome slat, while the headlights carry on unchanged. The rear lights, however, see a new design that's more similar to those in front, with the round eye accented by straight lines. Inside, Mazda replaced the prior cable-operated parking brake with an electronic unit with an automatic hold feature and incorporated it into the center console next to the rotary infotainment dial.